Did you know that over 90% of day traders actually lose money? It's a tough world out there, but with the right knowledge, you can be one of the few who succeed. Trading is often touted as a way to make quick and easy money, but the truth is, it's not for the faint of heart. It takes dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn. But the potential rewards are huge. Trading can generate significant income, and I'm excited to share with you the essential tips you need to get started. In this video, we're going to cover the basics of trading, dispel some common myths, and give you a solid foundation to build on. Whether you're a complete newbie or just looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. The allure of trading is strong, and it's easy to see why. The promise of making money from the comfort of your own home, being your own boss, and living the life you want is appealing to many. And it's true, trading can be incredibly lucrative, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not for everyone. Let's move on to some common misconceptions about trading. One of the biggest misconceptions about trading is that it's easy. Spoiler alert, it's not. Trading is hard, and it takes time to learn. You'll make mistakes, you'll lose money, and you'll face setbacks. But that's all part of the process. The key is to stay the course, keep learning, and adapt to changing market conditions. Another misconception is that you can make a lot of money with very little effort. This is simply not true. Trading requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to put in the work. You need to stay on top of market news, analyze data, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Some people think that trading is just about making a quick buck. This is a recipe for disaster. Trading is a long-term game, and you need to have a solid strategy in place if you want to succeed. The truth is, most traders lose money. In fact, it's estimated that up to 95% of all traders fail. But why is that? Is it because trading is impossible? No, it's because most traders lack the knowledge, skills, and discipline needed to succeed. So, what sets successful traders apart from the rest? It's not rocket science, but it does require a certain mindset and a willingness to learn. Let's talk about the challenges that beginners face in the trading world. One of the biggest challenges is information overload. There's so much data out there, it's hard to know what to focus on. And that's not even mentioning the numerous trading strategies and indicators that are available. Another challenge is fear and greed. These two emotions can be your worst enemies when it comes to trading. Fear can cause you to make impulsive decisions, while greed can lead you to take on too much risk. Lack of discipline is another common challenge. Trading is a game of probabilities, and you need to stick to your strategy if you want to succeed. Market volatility is another challenge that beginners face. Markets can be unpredictable, and even the best traders can't predict what will happen next. Risk management is critical in trading, but it's an area where many beginners fall short. You need to know how to manage your risk, set stop losses, and adjust your position size. Trading psychology is another crucial aspect of trading. You need to understand how to manage your emotions, stay focused, and avoid impulsive decisions. Lastly, lack of education is a major challenge. You need to have a solid understanding of trading concepts, strategies, and techniques if you want to succeed. Now that we've discussed some of the common challenges and misconceptions about trading, let's break down the key concepts of trading. There are different types of trading, including day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Each type has its own unique characteristics, and it's essential to understand the differences. Markets are another critical aspect of trading. You can trade stocks, forex, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. Each market has its own unique characteristics, and it's essential to understand them. Trading strategies are essential to success. You need to have a solid strategy in place, and it needs to be based on your risk tolerance, market conditions, and goals. Education and practice are critical components of trading. You need to stay up to date with market news, practice your skills, and continually learn and adapt. Risk management is critical in trading. You need to know how to manage your risk, set stop losses, and adjust your position size. Technical analysis is a crucial aspect of trading. You need to understand how to read charts, identify patterns, and use indicators to make informed decisions. Fundamental analysis is another important aspect of trading. You need to understand how to analyze company data, economic indicators, and market news to make informed decisions. Trading psychology is critical in trading. You need to understand how to manage your emotions, stay focused, and avoid impulsive decisions. Let's talk about one powerful trading strategy that can greatly enhance a beginner's potential for success. One strategy that I've found to be incredibly effective is the trend following strategy. This strategy involves identifying and following strong trends in the market. By doing so, you can ride the momentum and make significant profits. I remember when I first started trading, I was struggling to make consistent profits. But then I discovered the trend following strategy, and it completely transformed my trading. I was able to identify strong trends and make significant profits. Of course, no strategy is foolproof, and there will always be risks involved. But with the right knowledge and approach, you can greatly increase your chances of success. Let's recap the main points discussed in this video. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not for everyone. It takes dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn. You need to stay on top of market news, analyze data, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Education and practice are critical components of trading. You need to stay up to date with market news, practice your skills, and continually learn and adapt. Risk management is critical in trading. You need to know how to manage your risk, set stop losses, and adjust your position size. Trading psychology is critical in trading. You need to understand how to manage your emotions, stay focused, and avoid impulsive decisions. Lastly, technical and fundamental analysis are crucial aspects of trading. You need to understand how to read charts, identify patterns, and use indicators to make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you gained valuable insights from this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more in-depth trading strategies and tips.